Hello, students of class 9. How are you? I think you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Today, I would like to discuss with you the assignment number 4. You have already got the question, and in the question, you can get two topics actually, and these are given from Unit 5. I think in your textbook, you go to the page number 58 from lesson 1, the grit of the mighty rivers. Okay, the grit of the mighty rivers. Of the mighty rivers. From this lesson, then they give you an exercise, and it is from D. You can get an exercise here, and it is actually a passage for fill in the blanks. In this, as you have habituated actually to do the assignment, actually I think these are so easy for you. You know all types of tricks to arrange or to write down an assignment in a very clear manner. Though you are clear, but I want to discuss you so that you can write better and you can get acquire good comments in the exam of yours. Try to look at here. Complete the summary of Marjan's life with words, phrases from the box. Sometimes you can use the word and sometimes you can use the phrase also. Now come to the point, what's the difference between words and phrase? Okay, try to understand this one. You have to put up a lot of words there because you can get 10 fill in the blanks. You can get 10 fill in the blanks and you can get the words also. Phrase is a group of words. Phrase is what? Phrase means a group of words. A group of words which has no subject and predicate, but it has a clear meaning, and this is called phrase. But in word, and you can get this in a single word and you have to use this as a word, but in a phrase you can get more than 2 words like that. That's why it is called phrase. Okay, look at here. I'm going to solve the problem. Marjan is a typical dash woman. Then you have to put up this here as a meaning of this sentence. Then it should be homeless woman. Okay, Marjan is a typical homeless woman. In one, it should be homeless. Write down the answer here for your better understanding. Then it should be homeless. Is it clear? Then a woman who lives in a slum. Go to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last one is 10. Okay, go to the next one. She lost her shelter and properties. There's the erosion of the river. Then according to meaning, then you have to put up here as a phrase word. Then it should be due to. Properties due to erosion of the river Jamuna. Due to. Then it should be due to. Actually, those who are living beside the river, they are facing a lot of problems, and Marjan is such kind of ill-fated woman. Okay, and that's why she is also sufferer from this matter. She also lost her family. Her husband had died of disease caused by poverty. Okay, and dash of food and shortage of food. Then it should be shortage of food. This is another phrase word. Shortage of food. Answer should be shortage of food. Now she is only a dash. She is only a slum dweller. This is another phrase word. Slum dweller. Slum dweller. Slum dweller. Those those who are slum dweller, actually they have a lot of problems. They don't get any good house to live. They have to live such a house which is used or which is made by polythene roof and some of wastage materials. Actually this is really so sorrowful for them, because this is an inhuman habitant actually. That's why. Okay, go to the next one. Like margins, there are many people who have become the dash of river erosion. That means the after that then you have to put up the noun here, because after the we know you have to use the noun here. Then it should be victims. Victims. Okay. VICTIMS. Victims. Victims of river erosion. River erosion is still poisoning dash to the lives and properties of thousands people. River erosion is still poisoning threats to. Then it should be threats to. Threats. Then it should be threats to. Threats to the lives and properties of thousands of people. People living dash the rivers. People living close to the rivers. Then it should be the phrase word. Close to. Close to. People living close to the rivers are the most likely victims of river erosion. Each year, about 1 lakh people. Then it should be 1 lakh. Then it should be 1 lakh. 1 lakh. Okay. 1 lakh people become homeless due to river erosion in Bangladesh. Marjan's life is just one example of. One example of. Then it should be example. One should be example of how climate change. How climate change affects the lives of thousands of people. Affects the thousands of people. Okay. After completing this, fill in the blanks. Then you can give more information about the problem solving of some suggestions you can put up here. Then the government should take some initiatives so that they can be safe and so that they can be protected. That's why the government should take some of steps. What type of steps what type of steps should government take? Then you can mention some of them. Then it will be easy for you to take a good comment from the teachers, because you can put up the suggestion of yours also. And this is the method of the assignment. You have to carry some of lines, you have to bear some of morals, you have to bear some of things which are not available to the context, which are not available to the text of yours, but you have to carry some of lines by yourself. Then it will be helpful for you to carry good marks in the exam. Is it clear? To take good comments from the teachers to the respective subject. Okay, these are the one of lesson 1, but another topic also given, unit 5 lesson 3. Unit 5 lesson 3. Okay, now I want to discuss with you about this in details. Another topic is from lesson 3, and it is about what? And it is about man and climate. And another topic is for you, man and climate. And you can get another topic here. Look at, and this is also give you as a exercise D. Write a letter to the editor of newspaper expressing your concern about growing deforestation in your area. Describe how deforestation is changing your environment. Also suggest What actions could be taken to stop cutting down trees? Follow the clues below. You can get some of clues here. By based on these clues, then you have write down something as an application actually. But you have to maintain the process of writing application. Now I am to discuss this in details so that you can write this smoothly to the script of yours, so that you can take good comments from your respective teachers. Okay, at first, as it should be the formal letter actually, it should be the formal letter. At first you have to write down here date. You have to left corner of the page, you have to write down here date. Okay, then as it is editorial formal letter, that's why you have to write down this to the editor of the newspaper. Then it should be the editor. Then it should be editor. Okay, and give the name of the newspaper, whatever you like most. Then you can write the Daily Star, then put up a comma here and write down the address, the below of the newspaper, Motijil, Dhaka. Okay, write down this like here. Then you can write dear sir. Then you can put up here dear sir. Okay, then you can write down this like that. I would be highly praised if you, okay, look at the question here. If you kindly publish, it in your daily renowned, you have to write down this like that. Then you give the headline. Headline should be like that, deforestation and its effect. Okay, write down here deforestation and its effect. Okay, then give an underline here. Then you have to describe it, okay, as a paragraph like that. You have to describe in details by based on some of information here. You can get this to the text of yours, dangers caused by deforestation. You can say like that, deforestation means cutting down trees randomly without considering the ratio of the people in an area. As a result, we have to face a lot of problems according to the ratio of the people. If trees are not available, then you have to face a lot of problems, like we can't get oxygen in a proper way. We can't make a balanced environment without taking oxygen in a very proper way. On the other hand, we are going to exhale carbon dioxide, which takes the trees of our environment, but they can't take because trees are not available. That is why it will be harmful and it will be dangerous, for deforestation. Okay, then increase of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Yes, I have told this one also, the greenhouse effect. As the imbalance of the environment is going on in our society, that's why greenhouse effect is increasing day by day, and it will be harmful for us. If the ratio of the trees are available in our environment, that it will not be happened. That's why it will be more actually cautious to us that we are going to face a lot of problems, like we are going to increase the greenhouse effect in our society or in our environment. That's why it will be more difficult for us to live in a very smooth manner in the environment. Okay, go to the next topic, making people aware of the adverse effect of deforestation. Okay, then you can tell those who are actually illiterate, most of the people of our country are illiterate. That's why they can't understand the necessity of trees in the environment. That's why they are going to cut trees at a random way without considering the ratio of the people. That's why you have to go through in the villages or in the environment of yours. Those who are illiterate, you can teach them and you can advise them to follow the rules of environment and try to give them suggestion to put a lot of plants instead of cutting trees. Then it will be beneficial for the environment and it will be helpful for them, so that it will be beneficial also for the environment of us. That's why you have to give them suggestions so that they can maintain properly the ratio of the trees in the environment. Okay, go to the next, another point also, making an action plan to stop deforestation. Okay, the government can take some initiatives or take some process or take some rules and give impose to the people of general, so that they can maintain this properly and apply this in the environment. Then it will be more beneficial actually for the environment, and I think at the time we can get a good environment to live in a very smooth manner, and it will be helpful for all of us. That's why actually it's our duty to give suggestion to the people so that they can take initiative and try to do this one properly, so that we'll be more benefited and we can get a good environment to live. It will helpful for all of them. That's why it's duty to us to give suggestion along with them. We have to work so that they will be inspired by seeing this and be initiative to take all sorts of methods, so that they can make a good balance in the environment of us. If they can do this one, it will be helpful for the environment. By following these steps, if you write down this one everything, I think you can carry good comments from the respective teachers of yours and you will do better. There is no doubt about this. I think you have to follow the rules properly and write down this like that by following this method, and it will be good assignment for you. I think all of you write down this like that until you have to stay home and do the work properly. I will take another class in another day. Thank you everyone.